Need to get a copy of your Ally Invest monthly statement or tax forms? Are you tired of searching through the Ally website every single time you need a document? In this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to find and download your statements and tax forms from Ally Invest so you can get organized and stay on top of your finances. Let's start on the Ally website. Once you're logged into your account, you'll want to navigate to the Profile and Settings section. You can usually find this by clicking on your name or profile icon in the top right corner. Within Profile and Settings, you'll see a menu on the left side. Look for the Statements and Tax Forms option and give that a click. This page is your go-to hub for all your important documents. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu where you can select the type of document you're looking for. You'll see options for statements, confirms, and tax forms. To get your monthly statements, just select Statements, and a list of available documents will pop up. You can then choose the month and year you need, and with a simple click, the PDF will download straight to your computer. Now, for those crucial tax forms. The process is just as simple. Back in that same drop-down menu, select Tax Forms. The page will refresh and display all the tax documents available for your account. You'll likely see forms like your 1099, 1099-B, or others, depending on your investments. Just click on the form you need for the correct tax year, and it will download in PDF format, ready for your records or to be uploaded to your tax software. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.